I just had a beautiful ice cold drink here with this nice man. He's a really nice guy. If you want to come to the Blue Crosses, this is the place to have a cold drink in the summer heat, and I will go now to the Blue Crosses. See you later. Ciao. Let's go up here. Come with me. Going up the hill. It's around noon, very hot. At least we have some wind, and so it's cooling down. Natural AC from Our Lady air conditioning. And let's go up here together. Hello. Bonjour. You have to be careful, the stones are slippery here. If you go like slowly, step by step up. Let's go together and see how it's mid-June. How are the Blue Crosses in mid-June? In the summer heat. It's really summer here already. Let's go together. Here you can get some local products. Hello. Really nice stuff. Here you can see, look what you can get. Really fresh local stuff. Wonderful, thank you. Let's go up to the Blue Crosses. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the videos, that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje and of Our Lady here. And give a like, share the videos, you know. Make Our Lady known and the beauty of Medjugorje and the powerful experience maybe you had as well. That's what Our Lady wants, to share and spread.
Nehéz ám a családba élni, de szép, szép.